Black and Dawn with Megastar, man. We'll be performing tonight. You know, we gonna get to it. You know what I'm saying? Represent the BX, ceazer, Black and Dawn. You already know what it is. I'm blessed.
Let's cut to the chase. Let's get to it, man. To that bottom line.
Yeah. Check it. 1, 2. Yo, what's good in here, man? We about to turn the fuck up. You know what time it is, man. Blackrollingstones in the building, man. Y'all didn't know? Now you know. You dig what I'm saying? Yo, I'm telling you, man, like, everything that I'm doing is crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? It really is, yo. It really is. It's like, yo, all the collaborations and all that shit, it's magic, man. You know what I'm saying? It's spiritual, bro. You dig what I'm saying? Yo, this is real right here, man. This is for all the kings and queens, the gods, the hustlers, the drillers, man. They even need to hear this shit, you feel me? This is some worldwide shit right here, man. Most authentic, man. My boy ceazer, Black and Dawn in the building. He is fucking working, y'all.
To that bottom line.
Yeah.
Let's cut to the chase. Let's get to it, man. To that bottom line. Thoroughbred shit, you heard? Yeah, definitely some real shit. ceazer, Black and Dawn, 2024 shit. AThug, yeah. Yo, I'm the short shotter, wrist rocker, mean Diddy bopper, flow proper, black mobster who love the pasta. Shook hands with mobsters, occasionally eat the lobster. Used to move the room from NY to SC, like a real G. Few chauffeurs, pineapple Ciroc, no soda. Cook more pies than grandma, blowing up like landmine. Co-winners moving to Montega, connect me. My squad something like the Dream Team. Super sauce with the drip, 45 nigga close to the hip. Any confrontation, let the Nina spit. Keep a law first, yeah, I stay on my shit. Diesel bags, nothing but the gas. These rap niggas on ass, I'm in it to win it. Pray for better days, puffin' the haze. I'm not amazed, the game is a maze. Flow cut 'em low like a fade. Yeah, these rappers throw shade.
What's this? Never seen this before. Not in this way, shape, or form. See us in the mag, see us in the video. Got it on smash. Plus the flow tell stupido. What's this? Never seen this before. Not in this way, shape, or form. See us in the mag, see us in the video. Got it on smash. Plus the flow tell stupido.
Yo, I spit paint on the wax. This is for the fella niggas who crack melons. 8-cylinder shifters. Play your cards right, you might just hit her. Detailed raps, you can see the x-rays, it's all facts. Failure dampened my lights until I started moving white. Then the vision got bright. I'm pushing, can't dim my lights. Getting dead press like Lorenz Tate. Blow so cold, a nigga needs skates. Make my enemy suffer, then desecrate. Keep the mask on, Jason. Scary shit is what you facing. I'm in the fast lane, this the lane you chasing. Position of power, get a nigga hit within an hour. Smoke nothing but the sour. Quick jab like Zab. Few punchlines like a nigga fab. Move the loud. In the diesel bags, keep the 9 tucked in the Louis bag. Louis bag, in the Louis bag. ceazer, Black and Dawn.
What's this? Never seen this before. Not in this way, shape, or form. See us in the mag, see us in the video. Got it on smash. Plus the flow tell stupido. What's this? Never seen this before. Not in this way, shape, or form. See us in the mag, see us in the video. Got it on smash. Plus the flow tell stupido.
AThug, Megastar shit, you heard? Doing my thing this shit, nigga. I'm out here, staying humble, showing muscle, you heard?
What's good, Doc? You drinking a drink for champions?
Yeah, shit's real though.
In the field, warrior.
And you can't tell what level it is, but I get that alkaline feeling on and shit. I definitely represent that though. I see the Megastar brand though. I see that Megastar brand on deck. Yeah, but that's the most fluential thing we need on earth. Water, man. Fluential. You know what I mean? Keep that essential. You know what it do. Your boy Dak Walker, Global Spawn Productions. 24, AI, The Guardians. You already. 9.
Say shout it out to AThug, PRS. I went to the Freaknik show that they had up in Harlem. Yo, that thing lit. When I tell you performance, he one of the hottest artists is coming out of Harlem right now. I can honestly say that about him. Like, I'm really jacking his music. It's fire, yo. Like, for real though, I am. Yeah, I'm still hyped about that Freaknik he had up in Harlem. What? Lit.